Hi, this is Evan here from the Latinum Institute, and in this video we're going to look at the last two letters of the alphabet, letter X and the letter Z. So we start off with our I, as usual, light up, dark down, like so. And now we're going to move into the letter X. The letter X is made up of two strokes. The first stroke, we start off as though we're doing an I, like so, and we curve as though we're doing a C, but we keep going, and we come round, like so, and we curve back in, and then we stop. The next thing we need to do is we start off a little distance away at the sort of a bit lower than the top of the first stroke, and we make another, it's a C essentially, like that. So it's a two-stroke letter. So 1, 2. You're used to this, I think, from maths, from mathematics. It's not a very complicated letter. The letter X. So we have to put our pens up to do it. It's a two-stroke letter. Now, this is something you need to watch out for. You need to make sure that your X has no gap, and you also don't want it to do that either. So it takes a bit of training. For those of you who want to know, I'm using a Wacom graphics tablet, and I'm using a piece of software called Critter, which is open source. And my writing possibly isn't as neat and tidy as it would be on paper, because I can't see the tip of my pen while I'm writing. That's not a very good X. I'm going to get rid of it. So, something I can do. I think I could do anyway. There we are. With the graphics tablet. So, light up, curve, and then like so. And this is our letter X. Takes a little bit of practice. Of course, while I'm doing these, I'm also learning how to use the graphics tablet. I haven't had one for that long. And it's taking a little bit of time to get my hand-eye coordination sorted out, because, as I said, I'm writing on a piece of black plastic, but my eyes are not on that piece of plastic. My eyes are on a cursor on the screen in front of me. So the letter X. Of course, if your letter X is starting from a high point, let's do an O, which is the letter we just did, and then we do it like that. OX. Or if it's starting from the bottom, IX. Like that. X. Once again, I impress the importance of doing exercises, which are large numbers. You need to do many, many hundreds of these, of lines. Try to get them the same distance apart, the same height, and the same angle. And you can also practice doing the old-fashioned long S stroke, which frees up gives you just trains you in being more free and relaxed in your writing. So the letter X, light up, curve it around, tuck it under, start a bit of a way, come back, touch, and away. Light up, curve it around, tuck it under, start a different away, come, touch, and away. So I suppose it's a bit like a sloppy S. You're starting off like the letter S is like that, more or less. I had a graphics tablet moment there. So letter S, and then this is like a sloppy sort of, if you were making your S really sloppy, and then And because here we have a absolute no-no. We have some space between the two. We do not want that. Right? We do not want that. Not at all. So, light up, light down, curve and away, touch and away. And that's the letter X.